Hello and welcome to CarFacts. Today with a way cheaper alternative to the Nissan Skyline GTR, the Toyota Chaser JZX100. The Chaser in general belongs to the family of the Toyota Crown and was known as one of the triplets with the same floor assembly. It is thus one of Toyota's longest running models. The Chaser was built in Japan and only sold there, so every Chaser you see on the road is a Japanese import car. For the Japanese, it's kind of a secret darling. I think it's because the base assembly has a lot to offer. Engine in the front, relatively long wheelbase and rear wheel drive. The car was definitely born to drift. What does this JZX100 mean anyway? Relatively simple. X100 is the name of the 6th generation of the Chaser. The JZ stands for the legendary little brother of the 2JZ, the 2.5 liter 1JZ GTE. There is not always a Toyota logo on the front of a Chaser. In Japan it is common for some model lines to have their own logo. That's why many have the Chaser logo with a bow and arrow. The Chaser as an X100 had a great novelty as an equipment option at that time. You could configure an electric suspension setting. Unfortunately, very few selected this feature in their Chaser. Probably it was still too unknown and too expensive. As I said, the Chaser X100 had still two brothers. The Chaser is the more sporty type, the Cresta is the more luxurious, and the Mark II is the healthy middle ground. They differ from the outside basically in front and in the rear. Perhaps the Lexus LS can still also be considered as a distant cousin. In Japan you can find relatively many Chasers. Because of its reliability it was used as a police car. The cars were then sold to the public after their services to the government. There are several engine options for the Toyota Chaser. However, the Toyota V, aka JZX100, makes it with its 276 HP from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds. Last but not least, the reason why you buy a Chaser: the drifting. The Japanese have discovered that too. That's why it's seen by many in professional drifting as the car of choice, because at the same time it's still quite affordable with plenty of power. If you want more interesting car facts, please check out my channel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.